If you've ever wrestled with a serpentine belt while trying to hold a tensioner retracted at the same time, you're not alone. In fact, one of the most requested technician-friendly features from Litens is the patented Easy Button Tensioner. And now Litens is expanding Easy Button coverage to even more applications. That means more technicians can take advantage of a feature designed to simplify belt installation, reduce frustration, and save valuable time in the bay. The Easy Button latch allows technicians to engage and lock the tensioner in the retracted position with the push of a button. Instead of holding a wrench on the tensioner arm while routing the belt, the tensioner stays securely locked in place. Once the belt is properly seated, simply release the latch and allow the tensioner to apply the correct preload. It's a simple idea with a significant impact. Easy Button eliminates the common struggle of tensioners slipping during installation, reduces the need for improvised holding methods, and makes belt routing easier on difficult applications. The result is a faster, more controlled installation process that helps reduce mistakes and minimizes comeback risks. The Easy Button feature is part of Litens' broader commitment to designing products around real-world technician challenges. For example, many Litens tensioners incorporate lift technology, integrating a spare hex lug directly into the tensioner arm. Depending on vehicle access, technicians can use a combination wrench, socket, or breaker bar to reposition the arm without improvised tools or workarounds. Litens also developed the Tech Assist pen to address another common installation challenge. Tensioners are often shipped fully extended, which can complicate installation and block mounting bolt access. The factory-installed Tech Assist pen keeps the tensioner in a compact, retracted position during installation. After mounting and belt routing are complete, the pin is removed and the tensioner is ready for operation. Together, these features reflect Litens' ongoing focus on making service procedures faster, easier, and more consistent for professional technicians. And now that technician-friendly Easy Button technology is available on even more applications. In addition to the original 999-687A tensioner for select 2015 to 2024 Ford Edge, Fusion, Taurus, Lincoln MKZ, and Nautilus models equipped with a 2.7-liter and 3-liter engines, Litens has introduced 3 new Easy Button releases. The 999081EZ, which supersedes 999615A, covers more than 3 million Subaru applications, including 2011 to 2025 Forester, BRZ, XV Crosstrek, Outback, Legacy, and Impreza models equipped with the 2-liter and the 2.5-liter engines. The new 999780EZ is designed for the AC belt drive on more than 375,000 2021 to 2024 Ford F-150 models equipped with dual alternators and non-hybrid 3.5-liter EcoBoost engines. And the 999083EZ, which supersedes 999129A, addresses nearly 120,000 Chevrolet Avalanche, Silverado, and Suburban, along with GMC Savannah, Sierra, and Yukon models equipped with 8.1-liter engines. For technicians, the benefits are straightforward: faster belt installation, fewer frustrations, and greater confidence that the job is done correctly the first time. For shops, that means improved productivity, reduced labor overlap, and fewer comebacks. Most importantly, this coverage expansion means more technicians now have access to one of Litens' most requested service-friendly innovations, with even more Easy Button applications expected to launch by the end of 2026. For more information about Litens' Easy Button Tensioners and complete accessory drive solutions, visit litensaftermarket.com. Thanks for watching.